I'm going to be showing you the top offers to promote on ClickBank September 2020. All I ask for you in this video: 1, stay all the way to the end of this video. 2, if you get any type of value, just drop a like on the video. All right, so the 3 niches of which we're going to be looking at in for the top offers to promote on ClickBank September 2020 is, the first one I'm going to start out with is health and fitness. So first thing first, you want to log into your ClickBank account. I'm assuming that you're already at that step if you're this far in the video. So next thing we want to do is we want to come down here to our categories. Again, I'm in the health and fitness, but just for the purpose of this video, I will refresh the page. So now my page is refreshed. So the next thing that we want to do is come up here. Yours probably going to say sort by popularity right there, be on the first one. What I want you to do is click on that drop down arrow, come all the way down to gravity. Just hit gravity, and you should be refreshed. You see the same offers that I'm seeing on my screen if you follow along with me in the health and fitness niche. All right, so we're going to go look through some offers. And if you're wondering why I chose gravity, gravity is an indicator that lets you know the offers on ClickBank of which offers are currently selling, which offers are currently being promoted the most by affiliates within a certain niche. And I like to go to gravity to sort out the good ClickBank affiliate offers from some of the old past ClickBank offers, which aren't really relevant to today's new type of audience of which we're marketing to. So gonna click on something. Let's check this out. It says the biggest blockbuster 2020, proven huge earnings per clicks. First things first, we're going to check out the ClickBank offer. Then we're going to come back and look at the affiliate page to see if they have any types of hidden gems that can help us promote this offer better than how we're going to go about marketing. So here we are on this affiliate offer. Computer's a little slow, but it's still loading. My computer's just really slow. Page, so I'm not going to bore you while watching this whole video, but if you were to go about promoting this offer within the health and fitness niche, I'm sure the person who's most suitable looking for this solution of the affiliate offer will check this out. I believe this is the offer we just finished reviewing. So now we're going to come down here right where it says affiliate page, and for most ClickBank offers, they should have an affiliate page. If they don't, I wouldn't really go about promoting it, just being fully transparent with you. But luckily, this one has an affiliate page. So it says the hottest ClickBank offer 2020 is proven. And what we're looking for is a type of demographic or a marketing strategy or some general numbers that which we can go use. I'm assuming that you're going to be using paid ads. If you want to use organic traffic, that's fine. You're welcome to do so. But I believe that paid ads is the fastest way for you to grow and the fastest way for you to make sales marketing your affiliate offers. I'm just interested in getting bonus update. Just take me to the tools. So now we're coming in here. We're going to dive in and we're going to look for any types of gems that can give us the advantage for us to go out and market this particular affiliate offer. By the way, don't forget that I have 2 more niches that I want to cover with you. So make sure that you stay all the way to the end of this video. Here we are on the affiliate resource page. I'm going to scroll down. Actually, we're going to come over here. We're at the welcome side, so we're going to come down. First things first, we're going to look at product information just to get more information to know what we're going to actually go about marketing and how we can best get this suited for the customers of which we feel will respond best to this affiliate offer. We want to skip over banners because I don't run banner ads, but you're welcome to check that out. All right, let's go to product images, and then we'll go down to keywords. So here are the product images that you can use. I'm not really sure how well that'll work on Facebook, but you're welcome to try that. But what I really wanted to show you the keywords, says you can download our top keyword list by clicking here. So overall, and then we have email swipe. So overall, they have the tools in place for us. It's just up for us as affiliate marketers to go out and promote the offer, again, using free traffic or going about using paid advertising. So the next niche, which I'm taking you into, is the spirituality niche. This niche has from my knowledge and research, has been doing very well in 2020. Not only 2020, but if you go back to the past, let's say around 2010, 2012. So this niche has proven that it's here to stay. It's just here to stay. So anyway, what we're going to do is same process. Yours will be on popularity. So for the purpose, we're just going to click on popularity, come down here, come down to gravity. All right, so these are the affiliate offers that are being promoted the most currently right now of September 2020 as of the recording of this video. So we want to look for, I know which offer I want to promote, which is the 15-minute manifestation. So I want to try and look for it. If I can't find it, I'll just type it in right here where it says find products. See right there. And then we'll just type it in. But let's take a look. Let's see. Right, so here is the affiliate offer for 15-minute manifestations. Again, we're going to follow the same process. We're going to offer, so if our potential buyers don't want to sit and watch this whole video, we have a solution to that, which it says right here, prefer to read. Click here to read the text transcript, and they can go about reading it as if they were to read an article, read a blog, so on and so on. So I'm not going to play the video, but we do got a good idea of what the page is going to look like once we send our potential buyers here. So I'm going to exit out of that. Yes, I'm sure I like so. Oh no, they have different types of affiliate offers. Excuse me. So we want to make sure that we're clicking on the right affiliate offer, which we're promoting, which is this one right here, 15-minute manifestations. We're going to click on this. We're going to click on affiliate tools. As you can see, it's going to open up in a new page. Open up in a new tab, so that we're able to get the proper tools necessary for us to go about promoting a 15-minute manifestation in the spirituality niche. And very nice images. This is something that I would definitely want to promote. I'm actually promoting this offer currently. I'll give you guys an update later on my journey. Definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified once I release that video. 3 different types of upsells. So there's a lot of potential on this offer. SEO/Facebook, because again, SEO is another method of getting organic traffic. But again, this is more so for the paid ads. So I'm assuming that you want to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, so on and so on. Actually, this ad says that they're not letting you run Facebook ads to this affiliate offer. So that kind of sucks ass. But there's always a way around things. So let's see if we can find something in the make money online space, or how's it categorized on ClickBank. It's e-business and e-marketing. I'm not going to show you the steps because you should already be familiar with them by now if you have stayed this far throughout the video. Those who are interested in joining ClickBank, especially want to know how to go about promoting ClickBank affiliate offers like yourself. So you can definitely check this offer out. I'm not pitching you on this. I'm just throwing out ideas for if you choose to go about promoting this affiliate offer, that will be the type of people you will want to target specifically. Yeah, I definitely recommend you to check this out. Even if you don't go about buying this offer, take in the information that they have to offer you, and maybe you could use that as well to incorporate in your own affiliate marketing strategy. So now that we have seen the landing page for the affiliate offer, let's take a look at the affiliate page. So the page has finished loading. Again, we have a nice VSL. For those of you who don't know what that stands for, that's video sales letter. Here's the opt-in section to sign up to promote ClickBank University. Here's how the funnel works in a nutshell. Front end, someone signs up, you get 47. They take the upsell, 2 payments of $297. Downsell, upsell, downsell, and then they have recurring 25% for everyone who signs up and stays on this. And then they also have it broken down and explained here in a better format. Let's see. Then they have the fine print, the guidelines of what you need to go about promoting this specific ClickBank offer. And with that, I conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, I want you to check out this affiliate marketing playlist right here that's on the screen. It'll show you everything of which I've learned through my affiliate marketing journey. Leave me any thoughts, comments, feedback below. I'll definitely take it in. I'll do my best to respond to all of you. I've been doing very good responding back to all the comments I'm getting on my videos recently. Again, before you leave, I appreciate if you drop a thumbs up. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. I'm signing off. Again, click right here to watch that affiliate marketing playlist that's on your screen. It'll show you everything you need to know. Till the next video, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I drop the next